One of the biggest challenges that people face when it comes to starting a business is lack of capital. You may have wanted to start a business, but because you lacked the money to invest in a business, either to buy the products, pay rent for the office, or even pay your employees who you want to start with. And that's why I'm here to give you 7 business ideas that you can be able to start with zero money, absolutely zero money. And these business ideas can relate to anyone. If you're a working mom, a stay-at-home mom, if you're a student, if you are just a beginner in the business industry, then this video is for you. You do not need any investment to start. You do not need any inventory to start. You just need to have the diligence and the discipline to put in to be able to succeed in these businesses. These businesses are categorized into 2 parts. So the first part is the service business. The second part is the product business. The product business, we have 2 categories in this business. Number 1 is print on demand. Print on demand is simply printing designs. Either they can be logos, they can be quotes, whatever interests you, things to do with cats, dogs, whatever is of your interest. And then you go to a site called Printify, where you are able to be given plain t-shirts or caps or hoodies, whichever you feel like your design can actually relate with, and place your design on that product. And then you can go ahead and create a store whereby people will look at your product, and when they're interested, they can order that product, and Printify will be able to make that product and deliver it to those people without you having to do anything, literally nothing. All you did was just to create a design on Canva, which is also free. You do not have to pay anything. Then you go to Printify and you put the design on the plain t-shirts, and you are able to make money while at it. This is one of the most easiest business you can be able to start in 2024, and you literally will not have spent a dime on it. Business idea number 2 is selling digital products. Yes, in the world that we are living today, the digital era has taken place. Everything is being done in the digital way, from learning online to businesses moving on the online space, and you need to take advantage of that. So you can be able to create digital products like ebooks, guides, courses, and be able to sell to people, because these days no one is moving from one class to another. People are literally learning from the comfort of their home with the courses that you can be able to sell. So this business is specifically for people who have knowledge and can be able to put that knowledge as valuable content in ebooks or in courses. So if you're not knowledgeable in something like digital marketing or any other knowledge that you have, you can be able to place that knowledge and sell it as a course. And one of the best places you can be able to start selling your courses, and you literally be selling because they already have the market, is on Teachable. Teachable, they have students who are always enrolling and willing to buy courses from people. So I'll leave a link here below that you can be able to go and start creating your own courses and selling to people. And when it comes to ebooks, the best place and recommended place is on Amazon KDP. You can be able to create your ebook and be able to sell it there for free without having to spend a dime. You create your ebook on Canva, you get the content from ChatGPT. How easy can that be? You will never run out of content, you will never run out of money when you use these 2 tools. So the second category is the service-based businesses. And when it comes to service-based businesses, the last one is the best, because you are able to combine all these 4 and make money out of it. So make sure you watch till the last point. So the first business is offering virtual assistant services. Yes, as I said, the world is moving on the digital places, and businesses are running on the online space. And with the demand of always showing up for their businesses and always doing the inventory and everything, business people and CEOs are finding it hard to multitask all these things. And that's why you come in with your virtual assistant skills. You can be able to offer your services to these busy CEOs and business people. So where can you actually learn virtual assistant skills. There are so many places, but this is the best place because you get free online courses and a certification at the end of this. It's Alison. So Alison is an app where you can be able to learn virtual assistant courses from the comfort of your home, and it will take you literally 30 days to learn all this and be able to start your virtual assistant services. I'll leave a link here below so that you can be able to check them out and start learning your virtual assistant skills and go get that money. For a virtual assistant, the estimated amount that you can be able to start making is $10 to $50 per hour. So this is when you have been able to learn and you're offering your services. You can quote it from $10 to $50. And it also depends with the experience you have and the services you are offering. Because as a VA, you'll be required to do things like email management, calendar management, data entry, customer service, and so many other services. As a VA, you can be able to get jobs in places like Fiverr, Upwork, or even on social media as you present yourself there. Number 2 is offering social media management services. Businesses are moving on the online space and people need to show up consistently. With the way the platforms are coming, so many people cannot keep up. From Facebook to TikTok to YouTube to Shorts, there are so many, and business people do not have the time, they do not have the energy to show up in all these platforms. So that is where the social media management skills are needed. And you can be able to offer this social media management skills like creating content, scheduling their posts, engaging with their followers, and bringing more money to the business people, and they will be willing to pay you because of the services you can be able to offer them. And for a social media manager, these skills you can be able to learn them for free, literally for free. And these are the 2 best sites that I'll recommend you to go and start learning your skills today. Number 1, it's Alison again. They have the best courses you can be able to learn. It will only take you 10 to 15 hours to be able to learn these skills and be able to start your social media management services. The second place is HubSpot Academy. They have the best, the richest, and the good thing is that they offer free certification at the end of it all. So I'll leave a link here below so that you can be able to go check them out and start learning the skill sets and be able to make money out of it. And something you should know that is, for a social media manager, when you are starting off, for a social media manager, the estimated amount that you are able to get started is $20 to $50 per hour, depending on your skill sets, depending on your experience. So the more you are experienced, the more you will be able to earn. As a social media manager, marketing yourself on your social platforms, either on IG, LinkedIn, TikTok, wherever you are able, it's the best place you can be able to get your clients and start working with them, because that is the best place you can be able to showcase your work while getting those clients. Number 3 is become an affiliate marketer. This is the best, and I feel like this is the best and the easiest simply because of this reason. Number 1, affiliate marketing will not take you even a week to be able to understand it. It's very simple. As long as you can be able to understand the simple steps, it will be very easy for you to be able to make money even in the next 30 days. So there's no estimated amount that you can be able to earn. It simply depends with the commission you're going to be given or with the product you are actually promoting. And I'll really recommend for someone to go for affiliate programs that are recurring. Things like software, email marketing softwares, they are the best because they always recur on a monthly basis. It's one of the best way you can be able to make money recurringly. So if you're a blogger, if you're a YouTuber, or if you're just on social media, you can be able to create content that promotes the affiliate link that you actually have and make money out of it. You can make up to $10,000. You can make up to $10,000 if you are serious with affiliate marketing, because it pays very well, but you need to put in the work. Number 4 is online tutoring. When Corona happened, people really moved on the online space to learn, and this brought about the online tutoring. And online tutoring is one of the best because people are always out there looking for new ways, looking to learn every single day. If you are good at a certain language like German, Spanish, you can be able to share this by teaching other people, because there are so many people who want to learn these languages. Or if you are good at things like math, sciences, English, literature, you can be able to teach other people who are willing, other people who actually want to learn these things. And with online tutoring, the best places you can be able to start your online tutoring is on Preply, because Preply it can be accessed worldwide, so it does not have limitations. And another place is on tutor.com. They also are good when it comes to the online tutoring as a business. And for an online tutor, you can expect an amount of $20 to $50 per hour, but also it depends with the subject you are actually tutoring. So the things to do with math and sciences, their price always goes high. Number 5 is consultation. They feel like this is a business that people are actually sitting on, and you can actually make money out of it. So have you achieved anything? Let's say you are a mom and you have been able to lose like baby fat in the last 30 days. You have been able to achieve something like learning a new skill or being able to make money on the online space. You can be able to start a consultation business from the comfort of your home and be able to make money on it. So if you are an expert in a certain field, if you have been able to achieve something for a certain amount of period and you are good at this, you can be able to offer a one-on-one call and give people your expertise, your information on how they can be able to achieve what you are able to achieve. And this business can actually be started by anyone, as long as you have been able to achieve something and you have been showing it, people know you. And when it comes to consultation business, you need to create content so that people can actually know that you exist, because consultation is not something that you'll come maybe with papers unless you have achieved something on degree or something. But if it's something that came naturally, maybe you have been able to lose baby fat for the last 30 days and people have been walking with you this journey, you can be able, they have seen the journey you have walked, they have seen how you have been able to lose this fat, so they literally believe it and they literally pay you to teach them or walk them through exactly what you did. So for consultation, you can expect an estimated of $50 to $100 depending on the kind of services you are actually offering and the expertise. So the higher the expertise, the higher the money. Number 6, which is the last and the best, and this one I said it's the best because it actually accumulates like all of the ones that we have talked about, so you are able to make money from all the 7 one accumulated to bring to this one. So what am I talking about? Content creation. Yes, content creation is one of the best businesses you can start, and people are making 6 figures to 7 figures with content creation. And a good way to be able to make this kind of figures is by creating long form content, either long form videos, things like YouTube channels or podcasts, or you can be able to make written long form like blog posts. And when it comes to earning, you can be able to carry all the 7 and put them in one bag. So when it comes to content creation, you can be able to make money through affiliate links. You can be able to make money through selling your services as consultation. Like I just said, you can be able to sell products, digital products, either courses, either ebooks. You can be able to get brand partnership. While at it, brands can be able to work with you and pay you for the content you are creating around them. And the last one is you can be paid by Google AdSense. So I said this is the best, and something that is the best, it requires time. So one thing you should note that is, when it comes to content creation, it will take you time before you can be able to start seeing all these results. But do not give up just because the first day it is not bringing in the money. Just keep on pushing and keep on believing in yourself, because content creation requires patience, and it also requires discipline, because you need to show up consistently even when things are not happening the way they should. You just need to show up consistently, and you can be able to see the results at the end of the day. There are people who make content for like 1 year, like Ali Abdallah. He created for 1 full year before he could even be able to start reaping the money from content creation. So it's not something that you enter and you make money immediately. Other people do, but it doesn't happen like that to everybody. So you need to be very patient, and you need to put in the diligence, the discipline, and the consistency. So I hope you have been able to reach with me till the end, and I'm grateful for that. But do make sure to get and at least try one of these businesses and tell me which one has actually worked for you and which one are you going to try on the comments here below. And please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for anything and everything to do with making money on the online space, learning new skills and business idea. From me to you, it's bye bye. See you on my next video.